Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Lux highlight. We got to be very quiet. Oh, I think I caught him. There's this strange guy walking around out there with a red suit. And I believe I know who it is. Then the strangest thing happened. We got this order in for a luxury fifth wheel. I'm going to see if I can follow him, see if he doesn't notice me. Oh, and he's looking this way. There he is. Can you see him? I think that he might be putting a Luxe Luxury Fifth Wheel on his list. I wonder what he's going to do back there. So just be very, very quiet. Oh. So hey, if you want to know what happened to Santa, give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at Luxe Fifth Wheel.